BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft has finally rolled out the important Chromium updates for Microsoft Edge, which I have been posting on over the course of this last week, which at first rolled out to Google Chrome, then Vivaldi, then Brave, and now it's the Edge web browser's turn. Now, because these are important security updates, it's always good to double check your browser is up to date, even though for most, if you are using Edge as your main web browser, it will be updated automatically in the background. But it's always good to double check, and the latest version and build now will be upgraded to 109.0.1518.70. And once again, it's a point release being bumped up from 0.69 to 0.70. Now, over and above the security updates that have rolled out, this latest point release also includes another maintenance update. And this is now the fourth or the fifth bug fix and performance fix update that Microsoft has actually rolled out for version 109. So this latest stable release has clearly a couple of issues that Microsoft is trying to resolve. So we get in a two-sided update. We get in a maintenance bug and performance issue fix, and we are also getting the security updates. So a good enough reason to double check that your browser is up to date. Now, with the bug and performance fixes out the way, just to have a quick look at the security fixes. Google rolled out 6 security fixes. Microsoft Edge and Microsoft have only rolled out 4 for the Chromium platform, which the browser is based on. But nonetheless, those 4 security fixes address 2 high-risk vulnerabilities that were exploited in the Chromium-based web browsers, and your high-risk vulnerabilities are your second highest ranked after a critical. So even though there are no mention of any 0 days or exploits in the wild, this is nonetheless an important security update. And those 2 high-risk vulnerabilities are addressing use after free exploits, which are a common exploit in the Chromium-based web browsers. And over and above the bug and performance issue fix and the security updates, I haven't noticed any new features or any major changes. As mentioned, just a maintenance update and an important security update. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.